In the world of digital marketing, there's a force so powerful, it's transforming the way we connect with our audience. It's Facebook ads. These aren't just your ordinary ads, they are tools of precision, capable of targeting the exact demographic you want to reach. Whether you're a startup looking to break into the market or an established brand seeking to expand your reach, Facebook ads can help you achieve your goals. Imagine being able to place your product or service directly in front of the people most likely to be interested in what you have to offer. That's the power of Facebook ads. But it's not just about reach, it's about return on investment. With Facebook ads, every penny spent is a penny towards growing your business. Yet, to unlock the full potential of this powerful tool, you need more than just a rudimentary grasp. You need in-depth, specialized knowledge. You need to understand the strategies that drive successful campaigns, the tweaks that turn a good ad into a great one, and the metrics that matter most. But to truly harness the power of Facebook ads, you need more than just a basic understanding. You need thorough, expert knowledge, and that's where our online course, How to Create Wealth with Facebook Ads, comes in. Our online course, How to Create Wealth with Facebook Ads, is not just a course, it's a ticket to transforming your business. The comprehensive nature of this course is truly remarkable. From the fundamental concepts to the most advanced strategies, every aspect of Facebook advertising is thoroughly explored. But it's not just about theory. This course is grounded in practicality. It provides step-by-step guidance, letting you learn by doing. Real-world examples are used to illustrate complex concepts, making them simple and easy to understand. You're not just learning in a vacuum, you're learning from proven successes and failures in the industry. The course also comes with a satisfaction guarantee. If you're not satisfied with the knowledge and skills you've gained, you can get your money back, no questions asked. And let's not forget the community. When you join this course, you're not just getting access to a wealth of knowledge, but also a community of like-minded entrepreneurs. This supportive network can be your sounding board, your motivator, and your source of fresh ideas. This course is your roadmap to creating wealth using Facebook ads, guiding you every step of the way to digital marketing success. But here's the thing, time waits for no one, and neither does the digital marketing industry. In the blink of an eye, the landscape of digital marketing shifts and new strategies emerge. Facebook ads, a powerful tool in this dynamic world, is no exception. It's constantly evolving, presenting fresh opportunities for those who can keep pace. Now pause for a moment and imagine the potential revenue slipping through your fingers because you're not well versed in Facebook ads. Picture your competitors harnessing the power of this platform, leaving you trailing behind. It's not a pleasant thought, is it? The How to Create Wealth with Facebook Ads course offers you a way to avoid this scenario. It equips you with the knowledge and skills to leverage Facebook ads to its maximal potential, to stay ahead of the curve, to not just survive but thrive in the digital marketing world. But you need to act now. Every moment you delay, you're losing ground in this fast-paced industry. Don't let hesitation hold you back from making a game-changing decision for your business. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your business. Click on the Buy Product button and start your journey to creating wealth with Facebook ads today.